Hi, Scott Wilcox here, the Bowtie Realtor, with today's 60-second real estate tip. As a real estate agent, people often ask me, Scott, what's the difference between pre-qualified and pre-approved? To which I say, you must be buying a house. Pre-qualified means that you have had an informal discussion with a lender who has asked you basic questions regarding getting a loan. Pre-approved means that a lender has formally verified your information on your loan application, such as your employer and bank statements, and is prepared to offer you a mortgage for a specific amount. I recommend getting pre-approved before looking so you know exactly how much home you can purchase. That's where I come in. Contact me. I want to help you find your next home. Thanks for watching, and may your roof never leak.